Hello! This update's gonna be a little different because I haven't actually finished the stuff that I want to show off today. So, what's happening is it's only 10:30 p.m., but something kind of interesting happened. I wanted to show it off. And then I'm gonna pause the recording and I'm gonna pop back in whenever either something else interesting happens or I'm able to show off everything. So, we're gonna start with all the weird shit that's happening. So, right now, I'm trying to get the buttons to be able to use state. And I completely forgot that I was originally like passing in the state on button creation, but never passing it in like after that. So I put it here. So every time it re-renders, it gives this new updated state to everything. And here's what it looks like now. So it's set to change its X and Y position by 1% each click. So this is what happens when I do that. It just moved. So that worked. But check this out. It ends up duplicating itself after a while. And after a while, I mean after one click. But it's actually kind of satisfying. I thought it was kind of cool to show off. Like, this is kind of fun, right? And then if I click one in the middle, whoa, it actually disappeared. What the fuck? Whoa, look at that. Whoa, I actually didn't know that would happen. So what's happening here is, I'm pretty sure I did the array parsing incorrectly. I'm like adding a slice in here at the end or something, but I shouldn't be. Something like that. I just need to edit this. But it's interesting what happened, huh? Look at that. It like re-added the thing, but it probably just made a new object because it was in the center. Now there's a big gap here, but now there's one in the middle. Almost like it's 3D, isn't it? Oh, that's kind of cool, isn't it? Anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna I'm gonna fix this, but it's kind of a little cool thing. So I will be back when I have more stuff to show. See you in a second. Okay, yeah, I was completely right. I was just doing a real dumbass way. I fixed it, and now it just moves the one button. And now if I add another button, they don't mutate each other. They hang out. So the reason why I am just having them move the button is because the calculation for dragging it is going to be rather difficult, and I'm not even sure if it's going to be performant at all, because it's going to change state whenever you're moving the mouse. I don't know. Well, we'll see how it works. We'll see. Hopefully it doesn't like blow up my PC. So let's I'll see you in another second. Okay, it's been a little more than a second. So it's 1:39 a.m. I don't remember the last time I unpaused it, but I kind of broke everything, kind of, but it's for a good reason. So what I realized was happening was that the content here was eating up all of the mouse events, because I used to have them like right here where it said like on mouse whatever, it'd be right there, but it would eat up the mouse events for all of the children in it, which is basically literally everything. This is the content component. The content component has all the content in it, right? So the button was in it, and the button was not getting these mouse events. So what I had to do instead was add an event listener. So these will listen for those mouse events, but they won't intercept them. So these work. I mean, I'm pretty sure they work. I think they work. However, I now have a new problem, and that is that I could right click and everything. That's all good. I could still click. That was so strange. Hold up. What the? Whoa. When I hold down the mouse button, it shows up. But when I hold it up, it doesn't. Which implies that the click target. Oh wait, you know what? I'm making a revelation right in this moment. God damn it. Look, these are the same. I copy pasted. I'm a dumb I'm a dumb bitch. All right. Let me save that. Now watch this. Watch this. We just did live. You're seeing this live. I just fixed the bug. Watch this. Now it doesn't do that. Still no buttons though, which is not ideal, but it's better than it was. I didn't realize that was gonna happen. But yeah, unfortunately, it looks like the button creation has gotten borked in some sort of way, which I'm not entirely sure why, because I haven't changed this. This is where the add button text kind of comes from. It sets a context menu, and then it adds a button by using set state. But yeah, I don't know why it wouldn't show up. So who knows? Let me actually just pause it real quick before I completely give up and abandon this video and be like, ah, shit, you know what? This video is kind of cringe. No, I'm gonna upload it anyways, regardless. Let me pause it. Let me see if I could quickly bug fix it, because I cannot believe I spent like an hour trying to fix that. And then the reason why so much time passed was because I had to fix my website too, because I updated it, and good lord, when I update things, I I need to be everything just breaks, so I had to fix that, and that took like an hour. But you know, it's good for a good cause, right? All right, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna see if I can fix this, and I'll be back in a second. Hopefully in a second I say that everything's fixed. All right, let's see. Okay, so it's a happy ending. It's a happy ending. I was able to get to work again. It's back and functional. Check that out. I could click out. It's all good. All the stuff that I was doing before all works still. Beautiful. All of it's working again. Whew. All right. That's really good news. So what happened was there was like a race condition in that the content was setting context menu target to null, but the button relies on knowing the context menu because it needs to grab it. And then this actually was never erroring, but once it got down here, it probably wasn't able to use it or something. I don't know. Something broke along the line. What happened was whenever it was setting the state of the context menu target, it just broke. I don't know why none of this ran. I have no clue. But now it does work because I added a little bit of a if condition, which is probably bad, but hopefully won't bite me in the ass. So I'm totally gonna forget about it. All the context menu buttons now have an ID of context menu button, just so I don't have to like do some weird checking for it. And then in content, I just check if I'm handling a click. If it's the context menu button, I won't do anything, and I'll let the context menu button do the setting to null, which it does in here, in handle click, which it now runs the on click thing, and then it sets it to null, no matter what. So that's all good. Now I'm gonna go to bed because it's so late. I didn't anticipate for this to be this long, but yeah, I wish I got more done. All this was just trying to me to get the dragging to work. I mean, I still have this working, which is fantastic, I guess, but not ideal. We'll get the dragging to work soon. We'll see though. I work tomorrow, and by tomorrow I mean today because it's already Sunday. But yeah, so for the Discord. Bye.